Building an Independent Audio Plugin Company. This course is designed to guide aspiring software entrepreneurs through the complete lifecycle of building an independent plugin business, from initial concept and team assembly to code signing, distribution, global marketing, how to go about hiring developers, building your online storefront, and setting up customer support. Students will learn a step-by-step process of turning an idea into a profitable audio plugin product. Conceptualization and cost of an idea. Estimating development cost versus potential revenue. One of the first questions you have to ask yourself when vetting a new plugin idea is, how much is this actually going to cost to build? To get an accurate valuation of your idea, you need to be able to categorize it. We break the cost of an idea down into two distinct buckets, the simple plugin and the complex plugin. Understanding the difference between these two isn't just about code. It's about understanding your profit margins, your MSRP, and the feasibility of your business model. The simple plugin. Let's start with the simple plugin. These are tools built on standard DSP, digital signal processing, such as basic EQs, gain functions, and minimal user interfaces. The rule of thumb here is, if you can describe your plugin's operation using standard audio engineering terms like mid-side EQ, standard compression, or transient shaping, the cost of development will generally be much lower. Take my product, the Rosetta EQ, as a perfect case study. I classify this as a simple plugin. Why? Because I can explain it to a developer in fixed terms. I can tell a developer, the bottom knob boosts frequencies at 60 Hertz. The air knob is shelf boosting everything above 10 kilohertz. We have a simple gain slider and a bandwidth control. Because the DSP is standard and the UI is minimal, it is very easy to explain to a developer. This clarity reduces development hours, which lowers your upfront investment. This is crucial for your valuation. A lower development cost gives you more flexibility with your final price point. If you are building for profit, and I assume you are, keeping the complexity low initially can help you reach ROI much faster. The complex plugin. Now let's take a look at the other bucket, the complex plugin. These are projects involving emulations of specific analog hardware, intense UI graphics, anti-aliasing, oversampling, or even AI integration. A good way to spot a complex plugin is trying to describe it. If you can't explain the internal DSP with simple functions, you may be entering expensive territory. Let me give you a practical example. Let's say you want to build a plugin to brighten a vocal. Version A, the simple approach. You tell a developer, as the knob turns up, boost everything above 10 kilohertz. If the knob goes past 4, engage a compressor to control the harshness. That's a simple process. Version B, the complex approach. You want to achieve that same brightness, but you tell a developer, I want to add even order harmonics to the high end. I want the plugin to detect the RMS level, and if it hits negative 12 dB, I want it to attenuate specific transient frequencies. Oh, and I want it to have a look-ahead feature to predict peaks. Do you see the difference? Both plugins claim to brighten audio, but version B requires look-ahead, which introduces latency, harmonic distortion, and dynamic tracking. This can be more difficult to code. When translating hardware into software, developers generally use either white box or black box modeling. Although the technical specifics such as the use of neural networks and complex math are beyond the scope of this lesson, understanding the level of expertise required is crucial. I strongly advise hiring a developer with specific experience in audio modeling for these projects. The financial reality. So what does this look like in dollars and cents? If you enjoyed the first 3 minutes of this course, you can get the other 11 meticulously crafted modules at helpmedevon.com/courses. You'll even get access to our courses AI, which can help you with information on the course, as well as helping you formulate things you need to move forward. It's your time now.